Human beings are a fascinating tapestry of traits and characteristics, each individual a unique blend of genetic inheritance and cultural influences. Our genes, passed down through generations, provide the blueprint for our physical and behavioral attributes. Heritage, the cultural legacy of our ancestors, shapes our values, beliefs, and practices. These two forces, genetics and heritage, intertwine to create the rich diversity of human life. From the color of our eyes to our susceptibility to certain diseases, genes play a fundamental role in shaping who we are. They determine our physical characteristics, influence our behavior, and predispose us to certain health conditions. Our heritage, on the other hand, provides the cultural context in which these traits are expressed and interpreted. Cultural norms and beliefs shape our understanding of the world and influence how we perceive ourselves and others. They dictate what is considered normal or different, acceptable or taboo. This interplay of genetics and culture is particularly evident in the case of left-handedness. Left-handedness, a seemingly simple trait, offers a compelling example of how genes and culture intersect to shape human behavior and identity. It highlights the complex relationship between our biological predispositions and the social environments in which we live. Left-handedness, while a minority trait globally, exhibits intriguing prevalence patterns across different populations. Research has revealed a notably higher incidence of left-handedness among Ashkenazi Jews compared to other ethnic groups. This observation has sparked considerable interest among scientists and anthropologists alike. Studies suggest that approximately 10 to 15% of the general population is left-handed. In contrast, the prevalence of left-handedness among Ashkenazi Jews is significantly higher, ranging from 15 to 30% in some studies. This statistically significant difference hints at a potential genetic component underlying this phenomenon. The Ashkenazi Jewish population, originating in Central and Eastern Europe, has a unique demographic history, characterized by periods of relative isolation and cultural homogeneity. This distinct history has led to the preservation of certain genetic traits, including those related to left-handedness. The higher prevalence of left-handedness in this population group provides a compelling case study for understanding how genetic predispositions can persist and even become more pronounced within specific ethnic groups over time. It underscores the interplay between genetic inheritance and population history in shaping human traits. The search for a genetic basis for left-handedness has been a subject of ongoing scientific inquiry. While the exact genes responsible remain elusive, research has identified several candidate genes that appear to be linked to this trait. These genes are involved in various aspects of brain development and asymmetry. One promising area of research focuses on genes that influence the development of brain lateralization, the process by which different functions become specialized to one side of the brain. Left-handedness is often associated with a less pronounced right hemisphere dominance for language and motor skills. Studies have also identified genetic markers on chromosomes 2, 10, and 17 that appear to be associated with left-handedness. These markers, while not directly causing left-handedness, suggest a complex interplay of multiple genes contributing to this trait. It is important to note that genetics is not deterministic. While genes provide a blueprint, environmental factors also play a role in shaping handedness. Early childhood experiences, cultural influences, and even prenatal conditions can influence which hand a person favors. The quest to unravel the genetic underpinnings of left-handedness is ongoing, with researchers continuing to explore candidate genes and their interactions with environmental factors. As our understanding of the human genome expands, we can expect to gain further insights into the complex interplay of nature and nurture in shaping this intriguing trait.